gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. You can see I don't need to tell you, today is contact lens review. This time around I'm revealing contact lenses from eye2k. These lenses, they are different from the rest. Yes, watch this and you will tell yourself. Okay. So today I'm revealing these contact lenses from eye2k. See how gorgeous the pack is, so colorful. So the lenses are inside here. You know, this summer you can never go wrong with contact lenses. See the packaging, how cute. See how this is sealed. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so these are the lenses. I like this. They wrote the style on the box. I like this. Let me see how many are here. I have about wow, they are much. What is inside here? See, what is this? I don't know. This inside too. So I'm going to open everything to see. Let me bring the contact out. I think these are cases, but I'm going to open it to be sure. And these, I don't know what it is. I'm going to open this. And oh, there are some rings. Ooh, I'm going to wear this right away. See, wow, this is gorgeous. Thank you. Ooh, there is a bag. Wow. This is so cute. Look at this bag. Wow. It goes with my red. Just look at this. This is lovely. So you guys saw all those goodies they added to my contact lenses. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate this gift. Thank you so much. They are so lovely. So lovely. So what's in here? Let's see what is in this box, because I'm just opening them with you guys. Today is my first time of opening them since I received this. So by the way, I'm going to leave the link to each style on the description box, and I'll leave the link to their website also on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. All information you need to know about their website, the lenses, everything will be on the description box, so check that out. So guys, I was filming and my camera went off. I don't know what happened. I don't know if what I explained was able to record, so I will do that again. So in here they have, you see, this case, what is here is a mirror. Okay, see, a mirror, and there is an applicator inside and a peg. Okay, let me bring them out. There is a case inside as well. They added a case in here. Then this is a can to store your solution. Then this is the applicator. I like this method, the way they arranged everything. It's my first time of seeing something like this since I've been ordering contact lenses, you guys know. So this is so cute. But the only thing is that they just added one case, so which means the rest, after wearing my contact, where will I keep them? That's the only mistake. I think they should be able to like add more cases according to the contact lenses that you buy. Okay, that's the only thing. See, the case is so cute. This is so cute. And here is the contact. These are contact lenses. They put each one in each pack. Okay, while here is 2 pairs. Okay, here is only one. So that is why this is much. I was thinking it's another thing. No, the packaging is good. eye2k, everything is perfect. Just they need to add more cases. Okay, so that's it. I want to wear them for you guys to see. And I'm going to link each of the link to each of the contact I'm going to wear today. Okay, they are colored contact lenses. In case if you are wondering, they are colored contact lenses. And if you have any eye problem or you wear lenses as in medical lenses, you have to notify them when you want to order, because me, I don't wear medical lenses, so I can wear normal contact lenses. So these are just colored contact lenses. Okay, and you guys know that I love my contacts. I love my contact lenses, especially for summer. Ooh, they are my go-to. I use them, change my look. Okay, you guys know I have this brown eye color, but with those contacts I can change my look anytime, change the color of my eye anytime. That is what I like, and it takes you to another level. I always say that it takes you to another level. When you wear contact lenses, it takes you to another level. Okay, there will be a discount code. Check the description. Please make use of it. It's very, very important. You know, we need to get little coins from our purchase. It helps a lot, so please make use of it. Okay, go to the description box and make use of the discount code I'm going to provide for you guys. I fought so hard for this for you guys, okay, because I want you guys to like get little thing out of your purchase. So guys, check the description and use the discount code. I will link there. Okay, just use that and you will get some coins out of your purchase. That is very, very important, you know that. So I'm going to try them, and as I'm trying them, I will be reading the names. When I'm editing the video, I'm going to put each of the style they are on the screen so that you know the one I am wearing. So that is it. Let's try them on. If not, this how they came. You can see they are inside here, inside the solution. Okay, you just bring it out. What you do, you just have to open it. Okay, you just have to lift it up from this. You see these 2 points here, these 2 rounds, whatever. You just have to lift this up, then you'll be able to drag it backward. So that is it. It's open. So guys, I'm wearing the first one. This one is booming silver. You can see it looks so natural. You barely notice that I'm wearing something. The way I'm saying it on my eye here in my mirror, it really looks natural, on the natural side. You can see this is it here, and look at my eyeball. Okay, see this. I like it. It's simple and it's very soft, kind of. It's not dramatic. Okay, so these are the 2 on. This is lovely. I like it. I like the way it's really natural. It's simple. It's really simple. See this. Wow, I really love this one. Guys, look at this one on. This one is summer breeze dancing. This one is still natural, still soft. I like the way it is kind of bluish. There's this kind of bluish color inside. This is lovely. This is giving me kind of how will I plage, okay, vibe, plage vibe. When you see those skirts that are blue, okay, so this one is giving me that kind of vibe, and this is lovely, and this is so clear. I see clearly. I see very, very clearly. This one is on the brownish side. This one is pixel brown. You can see still natural, still looking sexy, lovely. See it? You see that? I love this one. I love it. Okay, is brownish. Okay, it's brown. They have kind of khaki color inside as well. That's what I'm seeing. I don't know what you guys are seeing on camera, but if I look at my mirror, yeah, it's brown and khaki, something like that. And this is lovely. Wow, I love this. I love how simple it is. Really, really simple and soft. This is so lovely. I have said that several times, the word lovely, lovely, because I really like it. I like it. That's why I kept saying it's lovely. So you see, okay, All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Guys, look at this one. This one is summer breeze mini. This is the summer breeze mini, okay? And you see this. Wow. Wow, it has this blue. See it. Let me open my eyes wide so that you see it well. It has this kind of charm, blue, sexy, lovely, gorgeous, charming look, okay? That's what I can say. And this says, guys, wow. I love this one. I love this one. Let's rock for it. I love this. Wow, let me go for say it. I love this one. This is summer breeze mint. Okay, not mint, sorry, it's mint. Woo! From a close range. See how charming. I love them because they are so soft. The colors are soft. They are not harsh. They are not dramatic. They are just on the soft side, the cool side. If you like that cool vibe, these contacts are for you, okay? They are so cool. They make you look sexy and charming, okay? In the right way. So this one is zany-pink. Is zany or zany? Is zany. I'm going to put it here. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it well. Okay, look at this one. What do you guys think? This is gorgeous as well. I told you guys, all are gorgeous. And one thing I noticed about these contact lenses, guys, let me tell you guys the truth. It's very easy for you to apply them. Some contact lenses, when you want to apply it, you put it, it cannot stick easily to your eyeball. This one, immediately you put it, it will magnet automatically to your eyeball, which is so cool. Some you will battle and battle and battle before you can apply it, but this one you apply them easily. I like that about these contact lenses. Yeah, easy to install. You don't stress yourself to install this contact. Look at it. For a while, let me feel alive. You guys know I love contact lenses. Oh, I don't do without them. It take you from 0 to 100, babe. You need this, okay? I don't play with contacts. And these ones, wow, look at this. So guys, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. That is very easy. It magnets on your eyes. You don't need to stress yourself to use force. Look at it on the applicator. You see it here, okay? So this one is pixel gray. Look at it here. So just watch me. See, I draw my eye and directly, you see, it's done. It magnets. You don't even need to stress yourself. Okay, so when you put it like that, it will come out. You put it, it will come out. But this one magnet directly on your eyeball, guys. Gray, and it has kind of blue as well. I don't know if it's only me that is seeing that. What do you guys see on camera? Ooh, this is lovely. This is lovely. This is lovely. So guys, that is it for this contact lens review. These lenses from eye2k, they are superb, they are gorgeous, they are stunning. You can use any name to qualify them, any good name, because the quality is just insane. The lenses are not thick, they are light, so they easily magnet on your eyeball, which I like so much. and you see clearly with them. I'm not feeling anything, not like some contact when you wear them your eyes will be inching you. This, no, they look so natural on you. And the colors, you see the 6 colors I tried, they are all beautiful. They are all bomb.com. okay, they are bomb. Okay, I so much like them. So don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to each of the styles I wore on the description box. Check that out. And also, like I said, I was able to secure a discount code for you guys. It's very, very important. Make use of it and get some coins out of your purchase. It's very, very important. I said, let me make it clear to you guys. Make use of it. I fought so hard to secure this discount code for you guys, so make use of it. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Okay guys, so that is it. I will leave you guys and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye. Ciao.